Chuck Casagrande. He's giving us a testimonial review about the Arid Bilge system on his personal boat. He sells thousands of these SeaSuckers, and I want to go and hear from him directly. What was your experience like?
It was good. We've been working with you probably 4 or 5 years ago. We probably met you, and we put that system in, and it was great. It's a big difference. I have a big boat, so I have a big 40-foot catamaran. It was an older boat that we bought and we redid. And initially we had some problems with the tank, and we had moisture issues down below. It was water everywhere, even fuel for a while. Keeps it dry. We've got pucks in the back and we got pucks in the front. Since we have a catamaran, you've got separate system on both sides, so the tubes will run over to the other pontoons, forward and backwards. So it's a pretty big system, and it works beautiful.
First of all, you have a Series 4. How many zones on that?
But there's like 4. So I'm not as technical on the actual product, but it works. It's great. We've got full machine shop, injection molding, tons of engineers. So I got an older boat and we built it up from scratch, and a lot of custom stuff on there. But they really helped us fix that part of it.
What do you mean by you have your engineers work on the boat directly?
Well, I also have the engineers. I drag them in from SeaSucker sometimes to the boat, so people laugh about it a little bit. Sometimes it's a Chuck's boat day, some special work on the boat together. We put a diving board on the boat. We've got a full desal system, 500 pounds of ice a day. It's got bathroom, can sleep 4. We've added all these things to it, a lot. So our engineers are engaged here and there to make it work.
Right. So did you experience any sort of humidity? That normally happens on catamarans in the first place. Did you any experience maybe any odor coming to the boat?
We had a ton. I mean, like I said, we had a fuel issue. So we had a big smell with the tank leaking. We had to replace the tank. But besides that, the boat still had water down there, which I didn't like. When you have that moisture just sitting down there with all the hatches closed, you'll see a film of moisture on all the electronics, on all the wires. Everything corrodes quicker then. So then you're replacing stuff every year or two. With this system, everything stays dry down there. If I see it's dry, I know my wires, my connections, everything's gonna last a long time. And that's what this system helps you do.